Number 1, let's count in 100s until 1000. So 1 times 100 is 100, 2 times 100, 200, 3 times 100, 300, then we get 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, and then 10 hundreds or 1000. For number 2, let's fill in the following answers. 2 times 100, there it is, it's 200. And 100 twos will also give 200. B, we'll get 500 for that answer. And the other way around, also 500. For C, 9 times 100 is 900. And 100 times 9 is also 900. If we look at 3, it says from the table we see that 10 hundreds, so 10 hundreds is equal to 1000. Or we can write it in multiplication form. 10 times 100 becomes 10 times bigger and gives 1000. These two mean the same. Let's move on to 4. We know that 3 times 2 is equal to 6. So let's calculate 3 times 200. So when you look at this, you must think 3 times 2 times 100. 3 times 2 is 6. Times 100 is 600. And the other way around, 2 times 3 is 6. Times 100 is 600. We get 600 for both answers. For 5, let's fill in the following answers. 2 times 2 is 4. Times 100 is 400. Therefore, this answer is also 400. 3 times 3 is 9. Times 100 gives 900. We will also get 900. Lastly, for C, we're going to get 800 there and 800 there. Let's move on to 6. So we are now going to calculate, there's an error there, 263 times by 4. Using the long method, we think of 263 as follows, broken up in expanded form, and we must multiply each part through by 4. So we always start with our units first. 4 times 3 is 12, we write it there. 4 times 6 is 24, times 10 is 240, that's where the 0 comes. 4 times 2 is 8, times 100 is 800. Now all we need to do is add up 2 in the units, 5 in the tens, and 10 in the hundreds to give 1052. Using the short method, now we must think of each one as a single digit in its place value column. So 4 times 3 units gives 12 units, or 1 10 and 2 units, so we carry the 1 to add next. 4 times 6 tens gives 24 tens, plus another 1 10 gives 25 tens, or 205 tens. 4 times 2 hundreds gives 800, plus another 2 hundreds gives 1000, or 1052. So we get the same answer for both. Question 7. We know that 6 times 4 is 24, so now we are going to calculate 6 times 400. 6 times 4 is 24, times 100 makes it 100 times bigger to give 24 hundreds, or 2400. The other way around, exactly the same. 4 times 6 is also 24, times 100. For 5, let's fill in the following answers. 3 times 4 is 12, times 100 is 1200, or 1200. The other way around, we get the exact same answer. For B, 6 times 6 is 36, times 100 is 3600, and we get the same answer there. For C, 5 times 8 is 40, times 100 gives 4000, or 40 hundreds. Same thing the other way around. Let's move on. Now we're going to calculate 528 times 3. So here we have 500 plus 20 plus 8. We must multiply each part by 3. 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 20 is 60. And 3 times 500 gives 1500 or 1500. Simply add up 4, 8, 5, 1. And there we have the answer. Using the short method, we're just going to look in the place value columns. 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 2 tens is 6 tens, plus another 2 tens is 8 tens. And 3 times 500 gives 1500. And we get the exact same answer as before.